Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Missy here. I know I've been away for a long time but I'm back now, and hopefully you guys will like the new direction of my channel. A lot of things happened last year. By the way, Happy New Year everyone. It's 2018, and like I said, made some changes to my channel, so now hopefully I can put out great content for you guys consistently, because I know I haven't done that and I'm sorry. But yeah, I'm just like really excited to get back into YouTube again and creating. I never really thought of myself as like this big creative person in the first place, but I think I could do it. Do it, you know. If I sound like really nasally, it's because I live in the Northeast and we just had this bomb cyclone storm. That's what the fuck they called it. So nose is clogged, whatever. So yeah, totally forgot what I was gonna say, but hey, shit happens. Like I said, I'm gonna have new stuff for you guys. I'm gonna do more health and wellness stuff, because I'm getting back into my weight loss journey again for like the 15 millionth time. Like, who hasn't? More travel videos, because I did go places last year, but it didn't make it to YouTube. I still have all that footage, so I want to bring that to you guys. And also bullet journaling. I've been watching videos for months now, and I already journal, and I've been looking for a planner to basically like put my whole life together, and I haven't really found anything. And then I stumbled upon bullet journaling, and I'm like, that's what I need. I need to create my own shit. So I'll be doing that for you guys, and natural hair stuff, because as you can see, you know, my hair is looking mighty healthy. Loving it. So hopefully you guys love this new direction of my channel. Please subscribe and thumbs up my videos if you like them, so that I know that you like them, so that I can make more of them. Like, that's the whole point of you liking a video. I'm sorry, I just got like real Brooklyn on you guys, my bad. But anyway, I'm gonna stop rambling. Yeah, and watch my videos. Thank you. Bye.